GLM-5 is here. 744 billion parameters. The Thanos of the open source world. It tops the charts in coding capability, rivals GPT-4 in logical reasoning, and stands as the all-around player that can take on closed source models. But let's be real, what's the point of a powerful model if you can't even get it to run? Today, I'm showing you the lazy way. No system pollution, no new SDKs to learn. Get GLM-5 up and running in your code in just 5 minutes. Even the most OCD devs would nod in approval. Step 1. Grab your pass from GPU Open Platform. Skip those messy proxy tutorials. Just head to API keys in the top right, then hit Add New AP. Name it whatever you want. Hit Confirm. Step 2. Set up Python. The painless way. What's the most annoying part of Python setup? Version conflicts, path errors, messing up your system. I want the latest Python, but I'm too lazy to touch system configs. So I use ServBay. Go to Packages, pick Python 3.12. Hit that green button. By the time you take a sip of water, it's already configured your environment variables. No need to touch terminal config files. A godsend for perfectionists. Step 3. Open terminal. Run this command. You might ask, wait, are we running GLM-5? Why install the OpenAI library? Because GLM is fully compatible with OpenAI's format. That means any GPT code you've written before can be migrated seamlessly. Just change the endpoint. Step 4. Write the code. Create a new Py file and paste in these lines. Here's the magic. Just change the base underscore URL to GPU's endpoint. Paste in your API key. Set the model to GLM-5. Hit CTR else says. This is what they mean by laziness is the ultimate productivity. Step 5. Run it. In the terminal, type Python glm5.py and hit. Look at that millisecond response. GLM-5 is now live and running in your code. Takeaway: ServBay gives you an isolated environment. The OpenAI library acts as the shell. The base URL is the bridge. This setup works for over 90% of today's big models.